Garrett Morgan, son of former slaves. He started at the bottom and made it to the top as an inventor and a businessman. He is responsible for many inventions such as the gas mask and the zigzag attachment for manually operated sewing machines and much more. This great man invented one device that has proved very helpful and has obviously stood the test of time: the traffic light. Garrett moved to Cincinnati, Ohio in search of opportunities for himself. He had to quit school in elementary school to help on his family farm, so after he moved, he hired a tutor so he can continue studying English grammar. He eventually moved to Cleveland, Ohio as a sewing machine repairman. And as a repairman, he started to make a name for himself and being known for fixing things and experimentation with machines. And it led to numerous job offers. Then comes the onset of his greatest invention. The early 20th century, cars were being invented. The Ford Motor Company had started, and they were manufacturing cars. And the roads were full of pedestrians, bicycles, animal-powered wagons, and the newly invented cars. And the only thing that was missing was enforced traffic laws. One day, Garrett witnessed an accident that involved a horse-drawn carriage and a car, and this sparked his idea for the invention of the traffic light. Now, his traffic light, it was simple. The design was very simple. It had three positions: a stop, a go, and an all-directional stop position. It sounds weird to have two stop positions, but the first stop was just for one direction, and then the other stop position, the all-directional one, stopped cars in all directions so the pedestrians can safely cross the road. He stated in his patent that the invention relates to the traffic signals, and particularly to those which are adapted to be positioned adjacent in the intersection of two or more streets and are manually operable for the directing the flow of traffic. In addition, my invention contemplates the provision of a signal which may be readily and cheaply manufactured. Not only was he thinking of the safety of pedestrians and the safety of the roads, he was also thinking of the economy. And the pedestrians, the safety of the road, and the economy, he was thinking about all three when he invented the traffic light. Garrett Morgan, like I said, started at the bottom. He came from nothing and became something as an inventor, especially with the traffic light. We should all thank Garrett Morgan for keeping the roads safe for ourselves and others.